happy day. Just another day of feeding the birds at the Susan and Soulas Homestead. These little ladies and men and generations of turkeys keep coming back. And now we've gotten to the habit. They've come here for so many years. They see us out here, give us a little turkey, and throw them a handful or two of the bird feed. The cats, some of them are afraid, but some of them come out. But it's kind of cool. You get an up-close personal view of the turkeys and their beautiful feathers. Ooh, you look so luxurious. And their companionship. Also, don't forget, that is some of the best organic, natural tick repellent you'll ever get for your yard or your homestead. Have a fantastic day.